Welcome to Enquark, a new edge premium consumer electronic brand for every safe building. Enquark is a leading manufacturer and supplier of electrical products like modular switches, wires and cables, switchgear, heater and many more. Our main focus is manufacturing highly reliable and zero-defect electrical products. We have the state-of-art integrated manufacturing facilities with integrated product testing and quality check labs. Enquark develops the world-class consumer durable electronic products for the safety and comfort of human life. We believe in developing the best-in-class products to keep us ahead. We follow the global quality standards to design our products to fulfill all the electronic product needs for our valuable customers. Introducing Enquark's products with innovative design, cost-effective product range, 10 years products warranty and 24/7 availability. Enquark Green is our best quality wire with 99.97% pure copper. Enquark Gold is a premium quality house wire made with 99.97% pure copper, halogen-free, flame retardant, HFFR. It provides huge energy savings. Enquark Charm switches provide the best in-class appearance and experience. The Enquark Charm series will provide your home and office with an elegant look and feel. The Strange series by Enquark offers ultra-modern looks, feels, and experiences. It provides you with best-in-class technology with next-generation features. The Enquark Warm X fan heater is the best in class and comes with an extended warranty. The Enquark switchgear is developed with electrical safety features and comes with extra safety protection. Enquark is an ISO certified company for quality control. We are a CE compliance organization to provide best-in-class electrical safety products. Enquark's every product is ISI certified and also in compliance with all the certifications required. We deliver the products to the market in the fastest possible timeline. Enquark also supports the channel partners and distributors with the training samples and marketing material to achieve the higher sales numbers. Contact us for partnership. To be safe ever.